Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Today we have a 10-minute meditation. Let's get started by coming into a comfortable position, however that looks for you. Slowly close your eyes and begin to take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. With each inhale, you allow the air to enter in through your nose, going down into your throat, entering your chest, expanding your belly. And with every exhale, you allow the air to completely release itself from your body. Begin to scan your body, checking to see if you're carrying any tension, starting from the top all the way to the bottom, relaxing your forehead, softening your cheeks and your jaw, relaxing your shoulders away from your ears, resting your arms, resting your hands and your fingers, softening the belly, relaxing the hips, relaxing the legs and your feet and your toes. Your entire body is relaxed. Your entire body is free of tension and stress. You can rest here. You can relax here. Take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. As you continue to breathe here, I want you to visualize yourself. You're walking on a beach, a beautiful beach with blue waters. It's nighttime and the moon is shining brightly. As you're walking, you're carrying a book bag, a heavy book bag, filled with responsibilities, to-do lists, obligations, and problems. This book bag is too heavy for you to hold any longer. Take the book bag off of your back, place it down in the sand, and continue walking on the beach. Notice how much lighter you feel now that you've let go of the book bag. All you have is yourself. All you have to think about and care about at this moment is yourself. So you can relax at the beach. And as you're walking at the beach, you see the blue ocean. The waves are beautiful, crashing against the sand. Slowly walk over to the water. Take your time. Enjoy the scenery. Visualize yourself having a seat in the sand, allowing the waves to brush up against your feet. Each time a wave brushes up against your feet, the water washes away anything that no longer serves you, and it restores your peace and your relaxation. As you let the waves brush up against your skin, close your eyes at the beach and allow yourself to experience true presence, true bliss. Enjoy your surroundings as you relax here and you take deep breaths. Slowly begin to return back into your physical body. Maybe wiggling the fingers, wiggling the toes. Our time together is coming to an end, but you can always stay in this exact space, taking those deep breaths. Before I let you go, let's take one more deep breath all together, taking a big inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. I want you to always carry this peace and relaxation with you. And I'll see you next time.